I was talking to somebody that works in finance who has to download data from a website every day. And it takes a long time to do because they're quite big files that they're downloading. So they said, is there a way that you can automate that? And there is. In fact, there's a few ways, and I'll show you. So the first way that you can do this is with Power Automate. So I've gone onto a website that's got a downloadable link. So that's what I want to download. And I've set up a Power Automate flow. And you can set this so that it runs on a timer. At the moment, I've got it so that it's manually triggered. But in a minute, I'm going to click a button. It will go to that website. It will download that file, and it will save it into what is now an empty OneDrive folder. So I'll click the button just to prove it works. And it's worked. Brilliant. So I've got a load of ticks. So let's see what's happened. I clicked a button. It went to the website and it got the file, and then it should have created something in OneDrive. So if I look in OneDrive now, there's my file. Now, you could go a bit further with this and have this file automatically pulled into something like Power BI so that you could mix it up with other bits of data. But if all you're wanting to do is to download the file and there's no login on that page, that's an easy way of doing it. But there might be times where you can't do that because let's say that that file is behind a login screen. What you can do there is a different type of automation, and this is Power Automate Desktop. This is like a macro, but for your whole computer. So I'll show you an example here. What this is going to do, when I click go, it's going to open up a browser window. It'll go to Bing. It will then type in text, and it will click a link on that web page. I'll show you that running. Take my hands away so you can see it's magic. Should be typing in some text. There you go. Cool. So you can use that to like automatically open up a website, type in username and password, navigate to the file that you want, and then just follow those steps that I showed you before. So there is a bit more to this. You will need a special license that allows you to do this. But when you're thinking about that, you've just got to think, how long does it take to do this task? How much is that license? And then weigh it up. And often you'll find that if this is saving you a couple of hours a week, it's probably worth automating. And if you need help with that, get in touch.